Hi everyone, welcome back to my another new blog video. And in this video, I would like to say something about in this place. So let's get start this video. So dear friends, now I am standing in front of you, and as you can see, my behind side there is on mess field, and as we can see already uh, the mess plants and harvesting time, as you can see. So now it is very different type of moment. So, and as you can see in our behind side, this is our paddy field, and so very green environment. And also another side I can see this the jute field, jute plants, and jute plants day by day growth. Okay, so dear friends, actually today weather so very actually cloudy and also warm and cloudy, and overall I feel like very happy today because weather so cool or warm. Okay, so you know my face condition, my health condition very bad condition nowadays because I sick from 1 week ago. From today my health condition so sick, so that is why I couldn't make any English blog video. And today I am free, and today I am in my home, so that's why I make on blog video. I have decided on blog video, so that is why I have come here, and now I'm making on blog video in our paddy field beside the jute field. Okay, so actually after a few days later I uploaded on my YouTube channel and on my Facebook page on video upload, and today I have decided on video make, and I will upload my on my YouTube channel. Okay, so dear friends, actually English actually very uh, important language and not easy language. Thank you.